Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another video of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch smart LG LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is no power issue. See, while checking here you can see the red light is blinking but the TV doesn't turn on. You can see there are total 3 PCBs are there. One is the panel T-con board, the motherboard and the power supply board. Here you can see the red light slightly blink. See, this is the fault. While checking the TV with the multimeter, you can notice one thing, that the 12 volt input VCC is varying. So this means that between this board, one board is short. See, you can see the input VCC to the motherboard is varying. See, the 12 volt input VCC is not steady. So there are two reasons for this fault. One, maybe the reason the faulty power supply board can cause this issue. Otherwise, the motherboard can also cause this complaint. See friends, while checking in detail, here we found that, see, here actually the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. You can notice that the HDMI port of this motherboard is damaged due to lightning. So here motherboard replacement is the only solution. Since the default same model motherboard is not available, here we are going to install alternate LG motherboard in this TV. You can see a small change in the sockets and connecting ports. So here we are going to fix this alternate motherboard. See, these are the changes. So to install this motherboard, we need to replace the sensor sockets. See friends, here you can see finally here we fixed the motherboard. See, this is the problem of using this alternate motherboard. You can see there are no space for these ports. So here we need to mark down the area and cut down the excess portion of plastic from this back cover. See, here using a marker we are going to mark down the portions that we need to cut down to fix this alternate motherboard. See friends, here we finally cut down the excess portion from this back cover, and here we stick the additional sticker from the old TV. See, now we fixed this properly. Now let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is turned on. Here you can see the TV is working fine. It's a 43-inch Full HD TV. So here we almost fixed this alternate motherboard in this TV. You can see the final look. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.